Do you like New York?
I love New York, yes. I work 3 jobs.
I always like to say if you can make it in New York, you can make it anywhere in life.
There are many factors to the high cost of living in New York City, right? The taxes, the real estate, the amount of people living here at this very moment. But despite all of that, people still find a way to live here. And also, there are many benefits to living in New York City. Hey, my name is Jacques, and today we're in Central Park, and we're finding out why, 1, New Yorkers love New York City, and 2, what tips and tricks do you have on surviving New York?
Like, I know people who say the city smells. I personally don't think so.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think that's just like the natural smell that you get used to.
The aroma of
The
New
aroma
York.
of New York,
Yeah.
So honestly, I cannot say anything bad. Like they say, people, New Yorkers are angry, and me and I disagree. I feel like if you waste our time, maybe because you're walking slow, but at the same time, like if you ask for a favor, we'll tell you where to go, even if it's
I think if you're driven and you are really pursuing something, nothing is going to get in your way. And like financial choices will never get in your way. It's kind of just like you got to take care of yourself. You got to protect yourself at all costs. And so like making choices that are going to better you and better your future, but also have fun because like we're here in New York and we might as well do things that like
Might as
we
well.
enjoy. Yeah.
Having fun, I don't know, drinking, drinking, consuming things.
What is your drink of choice? Because mine is tequila.
Tequila and beer. Yeah.
Any like specific, like you IPA or like?
Honestly, the lighter the better for me. Honestly, trash beer, that'll work.
Oh my God. Everybody's all like, oh, I bought this Gucci bag and da-da-da-da-da, but you're
I don't
frugal.
buy, like, I
She's
don't
frugal. That's good. That's good. Okay. Other side of the question, what is your best financial decision you made?
I went on a trip to Utah not so
Oh.
long ago. It was a bit expensive, but I do not regret that.
Did you go to Salt Lake?
Yeah.
It's
so-
beautiful, right?
Well, everything was under construction, but it was still really cool. Like, and we did like lots of national parks and everything. So yeah.
Well, I guess try not to spend money. I mean, I sometimes laugh because I also don't drink really that much. And so when I'm out with friends, I'm like, I'm
the lame
saving
one.
money.
Yeah, he's the lame one, not buying any drinks. Which it does add up in the end. Like if you have moments where you're willing to go without things that like your body tells you, oh, I want to buy it, and if you can just kind of be like, I don't need that, then that stuff adds up, and you can spend it on things that like I don't know, make you happy, like traveling. Save up your money on like dumb things so that you can like go where you want to go.
Well, mine are not so like that, but
There's
I
no
do
judgment.
have a savings account, and I separate everything. I put everything in my savings account, and then have whatever I need in my normal bank account.
Word.
So I just put something like 200, 300, and I spend that in like a week or 2, and I make sure I have that number there.
You're taking care of yourself as it goes along.
Yeah.
I get you. No, hey man. How do you afford to live in New York?
I work 3 jobs.
Okay. What do you work?
Working 4, but
Jeez.
now I was kind of like narrowing it down because I was kind of getting overwhelmed.
Right.
But I am a nanny, and I work at a gym,
Okay.
and I teach dance.
Best financial decision: getting a roommate. I mean, I have
Yeah,
a
you have to
roommate.
have one.
You have to have a roommate, and I'm lucky because I was friends with my roommate before moving to New York, and so we have a very, very good vibe.
Everyone's their main character. Everyone's their main side hustles. I'm gonna have to probably look for another job. We're both servers at PJ Clark's down near the Trade Center.
Word.
So we're probably gonna have to look for other work to afford the city. So you got to do what you got to do to make it. I'm gonna try to do finance probably in the near future.
How do you afford living here? I think you kind of spoke on it earlier.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm an au pair, so I don't have to pay rent. I live with a family, so that helps a lot. Like all the money I earn, which is we have 300 per week. I don't have to pay rent. I don't have to pay for food, so it's just for me. So.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's much easier to live because New York is super expensive.
It's
obviously.
horrible out here
Yeah.
right now. But I hope that you find a way to actually live
Yeah,
out
I
here
hope so too,
officially.
yeah.
But at the same time, it's like definitely I recommend credit because credit will literally save your life whenever you really need it, and you might not have the money, but somebody else will have that money. You can definitely pay it off.
Yeah, borrow it for now, pay it off later. Find yourself a good APR.
Yeah.
If you can borrow from your bank, borrow from your bank. Da 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 da. I
I'm
get
doing a
it.
bunch
Ask
of balance
questions.
transfers actually right now to pay off my school debt. I'm paying it all on credit. My credit score is good, but I'm doing balance transfers, 0% interest for 21 months to pay it off, so I don't have to pay that interest. Give them free money. I don't
True.
like to give them free money.
I don't know. I think I have my financial situation set up pretty good right now. I work part-time and I'm a part-time student, so there's nothing I can do about making more. It's more about how I spend my money.
Okay. Are you frugal?
Am I frugal? I don't think I'm frugal, I'm efficient.
Efficient?
Yeah.
I like that.
Like I have my finances set up, Roth IRA, investment brokerage, credit cards, you know. I have my basics down.
You're set.
Yeah.
You're like, I'm good. Yeah. All right. Do you like New York?
I love New York, yes.
Why?
I'm a professional dancer.
Word.
So yeah, I'm here for dance, pursuing that basically.
Is it like contemporary dance or is it ballet?
Yeah.
Word.
Contemporary modern.
You live in New York City. Do you love it?
I do, yeah.
Why?
There's like endless things to do. Yeah, I think you just never get bored.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you love living in New York City?
I do love living in New York City.
Why?
I feel like I'm always like connected in a community kind of. Like
Yeah.
there's always something happening, and there's always like people doing things, I think.
I like that there's always something to do here. Like I'm from France, from a small town,
Nice.
so like there's nothing to do. The only thing it gets cold here.
Yes, very
Yeah,
cold.
really cold, but that's the only issue.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you ever need extra cash, try Pawnstat app. It is an online passive income source app that users can use to generate paid surveys, complete them. Along with that, you can share your unused internet connection, and that's gonna generate you guys cash. I'm talking hard-earned big bucks, $166 a month, which equivalates to annually $2,000 a month. And I'd love to have that in my pocket. Oh, you know what? Actually, I can. Just download the app right now, and you can actually experience that. It's 100% legitimate and safe for all. So, once again, thank you for watching the video. If you want to see more, hit the like, hit the bell, subscribe, and watch our videos up here. Enjoy, y'all. Take care. What advice would you give yourself if you were younger?
Yeah.
Up here now.
I think
I'm here for a month, and I'm like, what if somebody actually like accidentally just?
Oops.
Bro,
Yeah.
What do you mean, oops?
Yeah.